Guys, I just hit a random major. Double Deuce slots here, playing some Lightning Link Magic Pearl. The free games on a $5 bet. Put $100 in, played it down to 40. Haven't gotten a bonus yet. This is the first bonus. Let's see what we can do here, guys. Got some nines. Oh. Jacks. More jacks. Alright, we're over 100. Nice. Alright, not a bad bonus. 100 bucks. 20x. Double Deuce out. Double Deuce slots here. Playing some Magic Pearl. Let's go. Check it out. Wow. That was a nice. That was nice. Save it, save it. Oh, that's so good. Double Deuce, let's go. Double Deuce slots. Now that's a big ball there, guys. Look at this. In the middle of the spins. Let's see if I get some big balls coming out. Hey, there we go. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a real nice one. Keep that up. Yeah, buddy. Let's drop that minor in there, or that major. Or a mini. I'll take a mini. I'll take anything right here. Boom. Yes. Let's do it. Come on, baby. Bam. Let's do it. Come on. Double Deuce slots. All right. It's a nice little rack up here, guys. This is a really nice bonus on a 250 bet. Hey, got the re-trigger, all right. $195 so far. Come on, flipper. Nice, that should put me over 200. Yeah, 214, all right, come on, baby. All right, one last spin, give me that ball. All right, not bad. $214, Double Deuce. All right, Double Deuce here, playing some Magic Pearl. Bonus. Playing Penny Denom. Penny Denom, this is 50 cent bet. A little low. Look at that grand. Grand is super high. I usually see it up that high. That thing hasn't been hitting a few weeks. She's got some pretty eyes. Green. Got some Patrick. Mr. Paul, you need to stop. Oh, that was bad.
Give me some balls. Balls.
Yeah, double deuce.
Balls.
Big balls?
Big balls. Can I get a ball with a word? Just one ball with one word. Something.
Oh, alright, that's okay. That's a good. Double deuce slots. Alright, welcome back up here. Playing $179, $5 bets. See if we can snag something else here, guys.
Two more.
Oh.
Give me some balls. Not one.
Now bring your friends. Tell them bring your friends.
I need your friends.
There you go. Come on, Flipper.
Flipper. Saw that major go by.
Did you?
Yes. Balls.
Alright,
Fish.
two more spins. Maybe three more, we'll see. Come on, Flipper. Alright, double deuce. Help. Double deuce slots, playing some lightning cash. Look at this on a 50-cent bet. Look at this, guys. We're low rolling. Oh, look at this. This is going to be a nice hit. Throw that minor or that major over there. That'll be set. Now let's get one now. There we go. Oh, not bad, guys. 50-cent bet, that's good. At least a Hondo X coming next. Nice. Guys, I just hit a random major. Random major on a 50-cent bet. First time I ever hit that. That is so sweet. Wow. That is awesome. Hell yeah. Double deuce slots. Hey, I want to shout out to Ross Says What Slots. I was with Ross last night doing his live stream. Shout out to Ross Says What Slots. Had a good time, buddy, last night. Hey, that's good. Look at that. 1 cent, 50-cent bet. $1,000 hit, baby. That's what's up. All right, double deuce out.
Oh, wow. Oh my god.
Double Deuce.
love
Look,
it. And
look
I
at this,
picked up
guys.
the Latif Daddy this summer. I can't even. I never. I picked